I hate the emergency alert system, because it's too noisy. What am I going to do to stop the noises from going off so much? I know. I am going to hijack a tanker truck and destroy the emergency alert system building. But first, I will call Darek and Evelyn about it. Hello, Darek and Evelyn. Would you like to come over? You would? Okay, bye.
Tallie, thanks for having me and my sister Evelyn over here. So, what do you want to do today?
Well, I was thinking about us hijacking a tanker truck and crashing it into the emergency alert system building. Does that sound good?
Hell yeah. Let's do it.
I agree with you. Darek drove his car here. Let's get going right now.
Hey, you get out of my truck right now. Hello, police. 3 crazy people stole my truck.
Well, no snitches are allowed here.
And they're gonna hit me.
Well, that should take care of him.
Agree.
Me too. We're on our way to the emergency alert system building right now.
We put out the emergency alert system warning last night because of the thunderstorms being spotted.
I know, dude. We need to be ready for the next time bad weather comes on.
System building has been destroyed by 3 troublemakers identified as Tallie, Darek, and Evelyn. They stole the tanker truck, hit the original driver with the truck, and used the tanker truck to destroy something. 36 people died in the explosion, while 5 have survived, but are in critical condition, and are being treated at the West General Hospital as we speak. Even though Tallie, Darek, and Evelyn switched vehicles, the police are in hot pursuit of the trio. We will now return to your regularly scheduled programming.
This is a double whammy. First, the cops are after us, and now, we're running out of gas.
Get out of the car now. Tallie, Darek and Evelyn, you three are under arrest for stealing a tanker truck, hitting the original driver with the truck, and destroying the emergency alert system building, killing 36 people and leaving 5 people alive, but in critical condition. Get in the police car right now.
We'll go on record, in the matter of the people versus Tallie, Darek, and Evelyn. They have done the following. Hijacked a tanker truck, ran the original driver, and used said truck to destroy the emergency alert system building, killing 36 people and leaving 5 people alive, but in critical condition. We will now take a statement.
They stole my truck and hit me with it, Your Honor. My neck is broken, and so is my right arm and my right leg. I've been on life support and an IV. Also, I've been using an oxygen tank. The doctor said that I have to deal with all of that for 1 month, and I'll have to do 2 months of physical therapy. Plus, I'll have to use a wheelchair during my recovery.
What should the jury and witness say about this?
Guilty.
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 Your Honor, me, Darek, and Evelyn plead innocent.
Tallie, Darek, and Evelyn, this court hereby finds you guilty on all charges. You are to be sentenced to a long time in prison, and your parents will have to pay all medical bills and the funeral expenses for the people that died when you destroyed the emergency alert system building.
That won't happen. Why? Because it automatically resets when Flopsy Railway Productions decides to make another grounded video out of me, Darek, and Evelyn.
And Tallie, please, no breaking the fourth wall. Officer Frank, take them away. Court adjourned.
This is your cell. Get in there now. Plus, you have some visitors that wish to speak with you.
Darek and Evelyn, how dare you and Tallie hijack a tanker truck, run over the original driver, destroy the emergency alert system building, killing 36 people and critically injuring 6 people in the process. Now we have to pay lots of medical bills and funeral expenses, all thanks to you.
That's it. Darek and Evelyn, you both are grounded for 328 novem decillion millenniums.
Tallie, as for you, you're grounded for 8,123,976 decades.
When you get out of jail, there will be multiple punishments awaiting you. We will see you whenever we see you. Goodbye.
Man. This is going to freaking suck.
Me too.
Me 3.